Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Xfinity email not working. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So if you're encountering the problem of Xfinity Comcast email not working, then there could be some reasons why you're having that issue. And once you have done that, I'm going to let you know some of the ways that you can minimize the issue and can solve the problem. First is simply checking out your internet connection. If your internet connection is not good, then that is the reason why you could be having that issue. So make sure to check your internet is good, and you will be able to solve your problem with that as well. Switch to any other network if you would like. Once you are done with that, then what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead, restart your whole device itself once. That could also help you. Or you can go back from the Xfinity itself and go ahead, open it up and re-sign in. Or you can also do it same in your app. Simply reinstall the app of yours, and that way you will be able to fix those information. Sometimes because you have added wrong credentials of your login info, that can also cause the issue. So go ahead, log out and add in the correct credentials and get signed in and start using. That should help you out. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.